Good morning, children. Welcome back to our virtual session of geography. So, we were doing our lesson number 9, that is tourism, transport, and communication. So, yesterday we studied about Brazilian Standard Time. We also studied about the development of communication in Brazil as well as in India. We also studied about the longitudinal extent of India and how the development of communication and what type of calculation in Greenwich meridian time, how we are supposed to do. That means how our time of our country as well as in Brazil is calculated according to their time zone. Understood? And also we studied about that how many divisions are there in Brazil Standard Time, what is the term behind GMT mean, and which part of Brazil is ahead in terms of standard time. Also we studied about the Indian local time, that how many local times are there. Today we will see one calculation about your time. So in this slide you can see think about it, which is given in your textbook. So for your convenient, this activity is to be done by you, but we will discuss. It is very important. You should know always about this. If the question is, if it is 12 noon at Delhi, what would be the local time in Brasilia? So the answer which is given, the local time of India is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT and Brasilia is 3 hours behind GMT. So when it is 12 noon at Delhi, the local time at Brasilia will be 3:30 am. So children, yesterday also I told you that as India is situated in the eastern hemisphere, so we are always ahead of GMT by 5 hours 30 minutes. If we will see Brasilia or Brazil, it is situated in the western hemisphere and it is behind 3 hours from GMT. So the calculation will be that we are supposed to add and we are supposed to minus. Understood? So western hemisphere is, the time is always behind GMT, and if we'll go to eastern hemisphere, the time is always ahead of GMT. So all those countries which are situated in the eastern hemisphere, they are always ahead of GMT. So also our country. So this calculation I want to show in your paper and pencil. So please watch this very carefully so that you will be able to understand it.